kids! Welcome to BuddyLand ABC. Today we are going to learn A to Z weather names. A for autumn, leaves fall down, round and round, ba 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 ba. B for breeze, soft cool wind, feel the breeze, cha cha cha. C for cloudy, soft white clouds in the sky, da da da. D for drizzle, little little rain, tap tap tap. E e e e. E for evaporation, water goes up, sunny fun, fa fa fa. F for fog, white white fog, see see slow, ga ga ga. G for gale, strong strong wind, whooshy tail, ha 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 ha. H for hot, sunny sunny very hot. E3. I for ice, cold cold weather, freeze freeze nice, ja ja ja. J for jacket, cold outside, wear it quick, ka ka ka. K for kite, windy weather, fly it high, la la la. L for lightning, flash flashlight, boom boom sound, ma ma ma. M for monsoon, rain rain rain, pitter patter, na na na. N for night cold, cool cool air, moon so bright, ooh ooh ooh. O for overcast, clouds all around, sky is gray, pa pa pa. P for precipitation, rain, snow, hail from the sky, coo coo coo. Q for quick rain, came so fast, gone again, ra ra ra. R for rainbow, 7 colors after rain, sa sa sa. S for sunny, bright bright sun, happy day, ta ta ta. T for thunder, boom boom sound in the sky, ooh ooh ooh. U for umbrella, open open, rain rain rain, va va va. V for vapor, water goes up, up it goes, wah wah wah. W U for wind, whoosh whoosh, blow blow air, sha 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 sha. X for extreme heat, very very hot, feel the heat, yeah yeah yeah. Y for yellow sun, shiny shiny, lots of fun, za za za. Z for 0 degree, so so cold, brr brr me. Great job, kids! You learned A to Z weather names today. Thank you for learning with us.